Hey there. I want you to take a moment, pause, and really pay attention to what you're about to hear. If you're watching this now, it's no accident. You're closer to a breakthrough than you might think. Right here, in this moment, you're about to learn something that could change everything for you. So, let's get straight into it. You're constantly creating your reality, whether you realize it or not. The things you believe, the thoughts you entertain, and the feelings you hold on to, are the very things shaping your experience of life. Now, think about that for a second. What would happen if you truly understood this power you have? What if you recognized that your thoughts alone can reshape your life, in ways you never imagined? Let's start with something simple, something you can relate to. Think about a time when you felt stuck, or maybe even hopeless. A moment when you thought there was no way out, no way forward. Perhaps it felt like the universe was against you, or that things would never change. But then, something shifted. Maybe it was a small change, or maybe it was a moment of realization, but something inside you clicked. Suddenly, you saw that breakthrough, that shift in perspective, and it made all the difference. You didn't just see a way out, you saw a way forward. And that's the key. Your breakthroughs happen when you change your perception. It's not about waiting for the world to change. It's about changing how you see the world. Your outer reality is simply a reflection of your inner thoughts, beliefs, and assumptions. If you feel stuck, if you feel like nothing is working, it's because somewhere deep inside, you've accepted the idea that things can't change. But the truth is, you hold the key to unlocking your own breakthroughs. And once you realize that, everything begins to shift. Think of your mind as a garden. If you constantly plant seeds of doubt, fear, and negativity, those seeds will grow into thoughts that shape your reality. But, if you plant seeds of confidence, faith, and possibility, you'll start to see the results manifest in your life. The more you focus on what you want, rather than what you don't want, the closer you get to your breakthrough. Now, here's the interesting part. Many people don't realize just how powerful their imagination is. It's not just a tool for daydreaming, it's a tool for creation. Whatever you can imagine, you can bring into reality. If you can see it clearly in your mind, you are already halfway to making it real. That vision, that feeling, is the beginning of your breakthrough. But it's not just about imagining your desired outcome, it's about feeling it. You see, imagination alone isn't enough. You must feel the emotions of having already achieved what you desire. This is where most people miss the mark. They think that just thinking about something is enough. But without the emotion, without the belief that what you want is already yours, the manifestation won't be as strong or as fast. Let's take a step back and reflect. What have you been thinking about lately? What have you been feeling? If you find that your thoughts and emotions are misaligned with what you truly want, it's time to make a change. It's time to shift your focus. Focus on the feeling of already having what you want. Close your eyes, imagine it, and allow yourself to feel that joy, that excitement, that sense of fulfillment. The moment you start feeling that way, you'll notice a shift. Your entire energy changes. And when your energy changes, your reality must follow. It's a law of the universe. Now, I know it can be easy to get discouraged. There may be times when it feels like things aren't happening fast enough or that nothing is changing. But that's just a test. It's a test of your faith. It's easy to believe in something when you see immediate results. But the real magic happens when you continue to believe, even when you don't see the results right away. That's when the breakthrough is on its way. This is where persistence becomes key. It's not about forcing things to happen, but rather about staying committed to your belief that what you desire is already on its way. Every day, reaffirm your faith in your ability to manifest what you want. Don't let doubt creep in. Whenever you start to question whether it's possible, remember this: if you can imagine it, it's already possible. The universe has already set the wheels in motion. Your job is to trust that process. When you stay aligned with your desires, even in the face of setbacks, you're telling the universe that you're ready. And that's when the breakthroughs happen. They may come in unexpected ways, but they will come. And when they do, they'll be bigger and more powerful than you could have ever imagined. So, if you're watching this right now, if you're hearing these words, it's not by chance. This is your reminder that you're closer to your breakthrough than ever before. Everything you've been waiting for, everything you've been hoping for, is within reach. The only thing standing between you and that breakthrough is your belief that it's possible. What are you waiting for? Your breakthrough is waiting for you to believe in it, to feel it, and to expect it. The moment you make that shift, your life will start to reflect your new belief. And that, my friend, is when the magic happens. Let's go back to that thought. The moment you stop doubting your ability to create your reality, the moment you truly believe that everything you want is already on its way, is the moment everything shifts. No more waiting, no more wondering. Just trust, and let it unfold. I want you to feel this. Know this deeply, you are already on the path to your breakthrough. You are already in the process of manifesting everything you desire. It's already done. All that's left is for you to believe it, to feel it, and to stay faithful to that belief. You don't need to force anything. You just need to stay open, stay aligned, and stay in the knowing that it is already yours. So, how do you get there? How do you unlock your breakthrough? Simple. Start by changing how you see yourself and the world around you. Start by accepting the idea that you are worthy of everything you desire. Start by trusting in the process, even when it feels like nothing is happening. Sometimes, the reason you haven't yet experienced the breakthrough you desire is because you've been too focused on the obstacles, the challenges, or the problems in your life. It's easy to get caught up in the struggle, to think that the road ahead is difficult, or that things will never change. But here's the truth, the obstacles you face are simply opportunities in disguise. Every challenge is a signal that there's growth to be had, a lesson to be learned, and, most importantly, a step closer to your breakthrough. Think of it this way, the things you see as barriers are often the very things that are pushing you to expand beyond your current limitations. The universe isn't trying to stop you, it's trying to stretch you. It's trying to help you see that you have more strength, more potential, and more ability than you ever realized. Every time you face something difficult, it's a chance to show yourself just how much you can handle. The key to unlocking your breakthrough is persistence. But persistence isn't about forcing things to happen. It's not about pushing yourself so hard that you lose sight of why you're doing it in the first place. Persistence is about staying consistent, staying aligned with what you want, and staying open to the process. It's about moving forward, even when things feel uncertain, and continuing to trust that what you desire is already on its way. Every step you take, no matter how small, is a step closer to that breakthrough. And remember this, the universe doesn't operate on time the way we think it does. Things don't always manifest when we want them to, but that doesn't mean they're not coming. The moment you release your attachment to the how and when, the sooner it will all come together. So, take a deep breath. Trust. Know that what you desire is already on its way. And as you do, you'll begin to see the pieces of the puzzle fall into place. Every small change, every moment of belief, is creating a ripple effect that will bring your breakthrough closer. You are closer than you think. Keep going. Keep believing. Keep feeling it. Your breakthrough is just around the corner. It's waiting for you to step into it. Don't wait any longer to claim what is already yours. The universe is ready for you to receive it. If you found this message helpful, I invite you to take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel. By doing so, you're not just helping yourself, but you're also supporting the continued sharing of knowledge and wisdom that can help you unlock the breakthroughs you've been waiting for. So go ahead, take that step. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and be sure to turn on the notifications. That way, you'll always be up to date with new content that can help you manifest the life you desire. And as always, I encourage you to share this message with anyone who you think needs to hear it. The more we spread the knowledge and the belief that anything is possible, the more we all begin to see the breakthroughs we've been waiting for. Let's stay connected, let's stay aligned, and let's continue to support one another on our paths toward greater success. Take that first step, then another, and another. Your breakthrough is closer than ever.